Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Flow Media. I have a question for you. Are you an electrical design engineer or control panel manufacturer or automation engineer? If yes, then this software can be extremely helpful for you. Again, let me ask you a simple question. When a customer approaches you and asks for a quick estimation, a single line diagram, and a bill of material, how much time does it usually take to prepare everything? A few hours, one day, multiple days? Yeah, right? From my own experience as an electrical design engineer, it often took a significant amount of time. And if the customer requested design changes, modification, or additional requirements, the entire process had to be updated again and again. When using the traditional ECAD software, these changes can consume a lot of engineering efforts, but today Siemens has made his process much smarter with the TI selection tools electrical designer plugin. Using this tool, many engineering calculations and design activities that previously required hours can now be completed in a seconds. That's exactly why I'm starting this playlist, to teach you everything about Siemens Electrical Designer from the basics to advanced. In today's first video, we will just start the overview by using Siemens Electrical Design, what you can do theoretically, and by the way, this is my first YouTube video. So if you want to support me, subscribe this channel and like the video, and if any improvement needed, then comment me. So, so what is a Siemens electrical designer? That is first question. So here just I want to show Siemens website where they defines very well about this software. So just I will open one window and here I just write Siemens, yeah, Siemens.com. I just enter it. So once this website got opened, if you see here in the right side top, you will get the search button. Just type electrical designer and just search it. So once you search the electrical designer, then product portfolio will open, and if you go down, if you see here electrical designer, just click it here, and here you can read the all information about this tool. But today, in short, I will explain you the features of this tool. Electrical Designer is a cloud-based electrical engineering solution available within the Siemens TI selection tool. In past, maybe some of you use this TI selection tool for some other purposes, especially to estimate the PLC and PLC's input-output modules selection, right? But here we are completely focusing on the electrical designer. It is specially designed for IEC 60204-1 compliant machine control panel design. In future, you'll get the UL also. So the tool automates several time consuming engineering tasks, including main circuit component dimensioning, short circuit verification, cable sizing, grid feed simulation, component selection, documentation generation, and many more. So if you go down here, you can see here one description with the video. If you get the time, just go through this video. I'm going to I will just today in today's video will just see the very it's very high level introduction or the overview of this tool. So according to the Siemens, the tool can reduce planning time and engineering cost by up to 50% while helping engineers create reliable and standard compliant designs, right? So now let's look at some of the major benefits. If you go down here, they written everything. So the first, it increases efficiency in electrical pre-engineering, right? The software helps with total current calculations for main switch dimensioning, quick selection of components for different load types, automatic determination of the cable cross section, and short circuit calculation without manual efforts. It also allows engineers to quickly find suitable accessories without spending time searching through catalog and PDF documents. So if you again go down here, then they return the second benefit, and it improves the reliability. The tool performs engineering according to international standards. We just saw above that IEC standard, and uses approved device combination. It evaluates the important safety aspects such as short circuit protection, cable size, and electrical safety requirements, helping engineers create multiple and compliant and reliable designs, right? So this all the things you can read later, but here the third benefit is it brings flexibility to the entire design process, right? So custom requirements can changes at any stage of project, right? So I just in during the introduction, that is a very big a problem statement, I can say, when you are working as electrical designer. So customer will give you a requirement, then you have to estimate these all the things, SLD and bill of material. But if you give these all the documentation to customer, might be after review this project, he can add or eliminate some loads, and you have to revise this all the design and etc. and give to him back. So that customers changes at any stage of the project took too much time to modify, and it is a time consuming process. So the third benefit of this tool is that it will bring the flexibility to entire design process, right? So because and also it is a cloud-based solution. Your project data is available anytime and anywhere. You can access dimensioning results, bills of materials, certificates, data sheets, manuals, and projects files whenever needed. The tool also supports collaboration, allowing multiple team members to work efficiently on the project. Throughout this playlist, we will learn, you know, how to access the Siemens Electrical Designer. We have just saw today also. So if you see here above, we have the link to start the project. So in today's video, I'm giving you the introduction of this electrical designer by Siemens. We already saw every different advantages, benefits of this tool. We are not going very deep in today's video, since it is overview just, but in next videos, I'm going to I'm creating a playlist, and in that playlist we will learn how to access Siemens Electrical Designer, then user interface overview, project creation, consumer and feeder configuration, component selection, short circuit calculations, cable sizing, documentation generation, then bill of material generation or creation, best practices and real world examples. So we'll go step by step. I will show you each and every feature of this tool. This tool is very easy to learn, and it will helps you to calculate complex calculations, complex mathematical calculations. So if you are the electrical designer, or electrical control panel manufacturer, to calculate the current, simply you or calculate the cable dimensioning, you have to refer lots of big Excel sheets sometimes. So that will eliminate. Here in few seconds you'll get very with SLD these all the calculations. So I will go one by one with in each feature in upcoming videos. So this is the first video, was only a high level introduction to help you understand the purpose and benefits of the Siemens Electrical Designer. If you not understand some content today, don't worry about it. I will explain you deeply once we start the to learning. In the next video, we will start the actual hands-on learning journey and explore the software step by step. If you found this video useful at the moment, please like, share, and subscribe to TechFlow Media. And subscribe. So if you subscribe it, then you'll get the notification. So the next video, when I will upload it, then you'll not miss it. Um, so do it for me, and then thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.